Guys, I'm currently living in a family house, and then I'm renovating this house. Yeah, it is a 2-bedroom apartment, and this is the dining area. Here is the dining area, and this is a bedroom, and then there's another bedroom over there, which is here. So I'm the one renovating this house. I'm currently living in a room and parlor, and this is a 2-bedroom apartment which I'm renovating, and then I'll be moving here when the renovation is complete. Yep, and this is how it looks. This is the door I bought. Just take a look, guys. This is the door I bought. And then what is left here is not that much. It's just changing the ceiling. I will change the ceiling because this is an iron sheet, so I will change the ceilings, and then plus I will remove this tile and then put a new tile here on this other side, just only this other side. These other tiles, which are these ones, they are good. Yeah, so I'll be changing this one, only this one, and then I will be doing painting too, and then I'm good to go. So guys, today's video will be all about, like, I'll be visiting my land. It's been a while. It's been like a month I don't step my foot on my land, so I just want to go there to see how things are going on my land. Yeah, I was doing some block molding over there, and then I stopped for this place to renovate this area. When I'm done here, my fully focus will be at that place, at my land. That's where I'm heading to right now. Yep. And then guys, this is how my neighborhood looks. Yeah, this is how my neighborhood looks, and this is my car. Yeah, I'll be driving to my land. Yeah, let's go, viewers. This is my car. It's Ford Focus. This is my second car. The first car, I sold that one. Yeah, I sold my first car, so this is my second car. I'll be driving. Guys, let me just fasten my seat belt. Bismillah. Let me start the engine. Let's go. Let's drive. Wow, we start moving, guys. We start moving, guys. Guys, that's my grandma from my father's side. She's the one who raised me, so I'm going with her. Bunasawa. That's my grandma. She's the one who raised me, so I'm going to show her my land. This is my grandma. I told her like a year ago that I bought a land, but she never see the land. So I'm like, today let me just go with her and show the land I bought. Yeah. Guys, I'm currently on the main highway, driving towards my land, and then this is how it looks here. Guys, I'm currently in London, as you guys can see. Almost at Lamont St. Peter's Junior and Senior Secondary School. Anyways, viewers, guys, I'm currently at the street market of Briama. Briama is one of the biggest towns here in the Gambia, so this is how the street market looks, and then it is rainy season too. By the time I'm filming this video, take a look. Standard water almost everywhere. Guys, this is how the real life looks here in this part of Gambia called Briama. My bad if the camera is not steady, because I'm driving and then at the same time filming. Okay. Wow. Goodbye, huh? Okay. Dapat juga. May madam si kanan. Kamu nunggu? PM dollar. Jalan tu di dia. Okay. Kamera mo kita jangan ditambah itu. Oh? Nunggu bulten. Itu ya. Terus apa dimana? Yo. Hai gero sama dimana? Oke. Sudah kata musuhan juga. Oh, ini kita jam. Nice cover, original protector, element protection. Guys, this is how the street market of the Gambia looks, called Briama, one of the biggest towns here in the Gambia. Guys, I'm really being careful while driving here. And then guys, this is what I have for you here on this street market. See you all on my land. Yeah, my bad if the camera is not steady because I'm holding the camera and then driving too, so the camera won't steady. Yeah, let's go. Guys, it's rainy season and then I'm closing this is where I'm parking my car. I just locked the car. It's rainy season. So guys, I just parked my car over there because this road is so bad. Yeah, and then this is the road which also leads to my plot, to my land. And that's my grandma. She is old. She can't walk fast, so I'll be taking it slow with her. That's her. And that's my cabin park over there. And this is how the condition of this road looks. Yeah. Guys, that car is a four-wheel car. Yeah, it's a four-wheel car, and then my car is not a four-wheel car, so it will be easy for that car, but not for mine. Huh? No, I can't take it. My grandma is telling me, what about your car? Will anything happen to it? I'm like, no, I just lock it. So I don't think anything will happen. That's my grandma struggling to walk around here. And this is the condition of this road. This road is so bad. Just take a look. The road is so bad. And then I'm almost at the land. It's not far from the main highway. And then the rain started to drizzle. It's drizzling. Guys, I'm almost at my land. This other area on my left hand side, all these lands, I think they are for sale. These lands, they belongs to an estate company. And then on my right hand side is a reserve land, a forest, a reserve land on my right hand side. So this is the residential area. This is where people will be staying. Guys, this road is so bad. Maybe before I finish doing construction on my land, the government will construct a new road here. Maybe, I said maybe. Yep. That's my grandma behind me over there. Yeah, she's my grandma from my father's side. Yep, and then she's the one who raised me till I turned 19, and then I stay with my mom. Till now I'm staying with my mom in the family house. Finally guys, I'm almost at my land. My land is over there, down there. That's where my land is at. Finally guys, I just arrived at my land, which is here. This is the sand I bought. This is the sand my workers were using to mold these blocks. All these blocks belongs to me. Yeah, and that's my grandma sitting over there. She's tired. This is how it looks here. Starting from here, going all the way down there. All of them are my blocks. Just take a look. All these are my blocks. Yep. All of these, they are my blocks. And then my land begins from, let me show you guys where does my land begins at. It begins from there, over there, and then it comes all the way to this peg, onto that peg, another peg, white one over there. That's where it ends, and then it goes all the way down there. This tree is part of my land. This tree, it is part of my land. And then finally guys, this is all what I have for you in today's video. As always, if this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. This is all what I have for you in today's video. It's your boy Prince Boy from the Gambia, West Africa. I'm at peace. See you in the next video. Love you. Bye.